KatchMe.co.uk is an online fashion retailer focused on stylish and affordable clothing for young women, featuring trendy streetwear, feminine dresses, modern wardrobe essentials, chic accessories, and athleisure wear. The brand has been around since 2017 and maintains a strong social media presence, making it appear reliable at first glance. They also offer multiple customer support options, which is a good sign. However, customer experiences seem to be very mixed. While some shoppers appreciate the variety and affordability of their fashion pieces, many others report serious issues with their orders. Complaints often revolve around delayed or missing deliveries, difficulties in obtaining refunds, and returns being rejected for reasons that seem questionable. There are also cases where customers receive only partial refunds or are outright denied one, leading to frustration. Due to these problems, some people have even labeled the company a scam. While KatchMe.co.uk does offer trendy clothing at attractive prices, the risk of a poor shopping experience seems to be a common concern. So, if you're considering buying from them, it's best to proceed with caution. Check reviews carefully and be prepared for potential service issues.